Hey guys, thank you for coming to this video. So today I have a big Sephora box to unbox with you guys. I ordered this. It's been several weeks and I still don't even have the full order because they sent it separately, but because of everything going on, shipping's taking a lot longer. So I've been waiting. I've been patiently waiting for this stuff to get in to film this video so I can start using it, because I'm so excited. Sephora did have a sale. I got 15% off of everything. So before the sale price, this was like $530 worth, I think. And it ended up being $480, I think. So if you are interested in all the stuff I got from Sephora, let's get into the video. Alright, so first I wanted to mention a couple things. If you like this Levi's sweatshirt, I got it from Amazon Prime Wardrobe. I'll put a link for that video down below if you want to watch that. Also, this makeup look is from the Woosh Beauty Fold Out Face Palette. So I'll also put a link to that if you're interested in those videos. But let's now get started in this haul. Alright, the first thing in the box is the Living Proof Hairspray. This is the Flex Hairspray. I got this because I really love the way texture holds, I think, or texturizing spray, but I've used it so much that I can't stand the smell anymore. Like it smelled so good, but now I think it's just too much. I can't deal with it anymore. Oh, pause. I forgot I wanted to fix my nose right here. I feel like it's too shiny and it looks weird. Hold on. Okay, I don't know if that helped, but I tried. This hairspray retails for $27 and I wanted to try something new, and I actually used it today when I curled my hair, and this one smells so good. And it has like, it's not a normal spray nozzle. It's like a different kind of spray, but it gives it this like light, like just this, I don't know. I really like it. I'm hoping it holds really nice. It says it's like a brushable hold. So hopefully I love this one. Next is something that I wanted for a long time and I just never did it. And this is actually on sale. It is the Natasha Denona Safari palette. This was on sale for $89 from I think $120. So I just have not gotten one of the bigger Natasha Denona palettes. And these eyeshadow pans are huge, and you can see it's all matte. It looks really nice. I've been wanting this one and I think the gold palette for so long, and so when I saw it was on sale, I just had to grab it. Let me swatch a couple. So there's 4 of the shades right there. This like ready one looks so pretty. They just look so nice. I love just like an all matte palette. So excited to use this. I love it. Ooh, also I can do epoxy on the front. Yes. This next thing is the O&M Mini Styling Minerals. So this is some different hair sprays. Can I get it out? So there's a detangler, a thickening spritz, and then a sea salt spray. I feel like I just haven't really been trying out new like hair products other than like hairspray and dry shampoo. So I kind of wanted just to sample these. This was a brand I've never heard of. Let's see if they smell good. Ooh, that does smell good. That's the sea salt spray. Ooh, that one smells nice. They all smell really good. They smell all different, but really good. So I just thought those were really cute. This was $33 for this little set. So I'm excited to try these out and see if I can do a little something different with my hair. I feel like my hair is getting boring and I need to switch it up. Another thing, I actually got several things in this order that are brands that I've never seen. So another one is this Lawless Lucid Skin Highlighter. It just looked really pretty. It's $27. Get it out. Just this really nice sleek black packaging. That looks really pretty. That's a really big highlight too. Let me swatch it. That looks like I will like it. can't tell if it's gonna be a little bit too like pinky orange and not so much champagne, but it looks really pretty. I'm really excited to try it because I've never seen this brand before. Something that I've had before that I just repurchased is the Dr. Brandt Oxygen Facial. This came in, I think, a BoxyCharm or FabFitFun box, something like that. And I became obsessed with it, and I have not ordered it since because it is $70. But this is like, it's like the foaming mask. So you just pump some out, you kind of just rub it on your skin quickly, spread it out, and it just starts bubbling and fizzing and growing. It just kind of, I don't even know like why it's good for your skin, what it really does, but just it felt so good, and my skin would always feel really nice and smooth and fresh after. So I just feel like I wanted this back in my routine. I love Dr. Brandt stuff. It's always really good, and it's just a fun facial mask. All these little bubbles popping, and it just feels really nice. So I just wanted to get that when I could get a little discount. Another mask that I got is the Summer Fridays R&R mask. I have not tried this, but I think I've tried something from the brand Summer Fridays. Maybe not, I'm not really sure. So this is just a glow mask. It says for petal soft skin, smooth out rough days with the spa-worthy replenishing mask featuring delicately ground wild rose powder to whisk away dead skin cells that just can't take a hint. Just sounded cool. It was $52. So again, more expensive, but I was getting a discount and I was in the mood to try new things. So hopefully I like it. Maybe I'll use this tonight. I also got the Lip Cheat lip liner from Charlotte Tilbury. This is $22. I got it in the shade Pillow Talk. That's like her main shade of lipstick and lip liner that supposedly just everybody loves. It's just like a nice nude shade. Might be too pink for me. I don't know. I'm gonna see because everybody raves about the Pillow Talk lipstick, the shade. So I wanted to try the lip liner. Have to see if that works on me. This next thing just looked so beautiful, so I had to try it out. It is the Tarte Chrome Paint Shadow Pot, and I got Top Yacht. So let's swatch this. It's a little pot. I just love sparkly, shimmery things like this. So it comes with like a little plastic thing pressing it down. So let me swatch this. It's kind of crumbly. So let's see if it'll just kind of smooth out and be really pretty. Ooh. It is a little crumbly, but I think you could just be careful putting it on the eyes. Look how reflective that is. That's really pretty. I think I'm gonna love that. That was $22. And the shade of that is just really pretty. Just this really nice champagne gold. Of course, all the shade I love. So I'm definitely excited about that because I'm always looking for just simple things to just pop on the inner corner of your lid, just to give you something that is more extra, but also easy. And if this flakes all over my face and gets everywhere and just kind of makes shimmer all over my face, then that's no. We'll see. We'll test that out. Okay, another thing from a brand I've never heard before. This is the LXMI. I'm not really sure. Notica Goddess Glow Hydrating Illuminator. And this was $42. So if I don't like it, I'm taking it back. It's a little tube. I think this is just for like before makeup, like a primer. Wow, that's really pink. What? Let me do it on my other hand because I have way too much stuff going on this one. So like, look how pink it is. Okay, so you rub it in and it gives you this like, just like nice golden glow. It's weird that it's that pink though. I guess though this I felt like this tube was kind of small for the price, but I think you just don't use a lot. I'll have to test that out and see if it does anything amazing under my makeup, because if not, then it's just not worth that much money. I just thought it looked interesting because I've never heard of that brand. Okay, and the final 3 things that I ordered that have not gotten here yet. I think they shipped them, but they're still not here, but I'll just show you pictures of them. I ordered the Sephora Favorites Give Me Some Lip Balm set, and that's $29. I think they're out of that. I think I saw in one of the shipping updates that they're now out of stock. But it just looked really cool. It looked like a lot of different kind of balmy stuff for your lips, which I love, and I'm always up for trying new things. I also got the Lawless Woke Up Like This Flawless Finish Foundation. It was $46. I haven't really heard anything about it. I just wanted to try out a new foundation, and I saw that one. The reviews were good, so I got that. And the final thing for this Sephora haul is the Primera Pure Brightening Serum, and that was $62. I love some good skincare, some good like hydrating, just good ingredients skincare. I'm noticing in my order there's a lot with the little green Clean Beauty check mark. The Summer Friday mask, both the Lawless foundation and the highlighter, the Goddess Glow primer stuff, and then also the Primera brightening serum. Those are all clean beauty products, which means the ingredients don't have any like harsh chemicals or any irritants or stuff like that. I really appreciate that Sephora has been doing that. It's just very helpful when you're shopping, just trying to be mindful of what you're buying and what you're putting on your skin. So yeah, that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so excited to go start trying all this new stuff. It's been a while since I got some new exciting stuff at Sephora. So let me know if you guys have tried any of this stuff, or if you want to, or if you ordered from the sale. What did you guys get? All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.